and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then a little introduction. This is a place to share stories, adventures, and everything I wish I had known before embarking on them. My name is Drina, and you're watching From Fiji to Here. Welcome to Antigua. Technically, the country we're visiting today is called Antigua and Barbuda. However, we only had enough time to explore a little bit of Antigua, which is where we're headed in this video. This makes stop number 3 on this specific trip, and actually it was originally supposed to be country number 3 as well. However, due to some changes in itinerary, which will be explained in another video, it was the first new country for me. Something important to remember when you're traveling with others is your ability to do things on your own as well. Especially if you're staying in the same room and spending all your time together for an extended period of time, it can quite easily feel overwhelming, and though you have no room to breathe or you run out of things to talk about. When we looked at the excursions for Antigua and there were none that we all wanted to experience, I jumped on board for booking an eco-kayaking excursion and hike. Antigua is known for its sandy beaches, and in fact, you could spend an entire year going to a different beach every day. Back in 2017, when Hurricane Irma hit the islands, 90% of the infrastructure on Barbuda was destroyed, and the entire population had to evacuate to the island of Antigua. The number 1 sport in the country is cricket, and the 2007 Cricket World Cup was actually played in that very stadium. Where's the butt?
No! That's not the head!
You think that's the head?
Yeah, like it's coming in close. Is that a GoPro?
Yes. It's the head until it moves over.
Yeah.
What does it feel like? Only mild. Oh, he's moving. I mentioned, since I did this excursion without Emma and Kim, they headed out themselves to explore some of those stunning beaches and were kind enough to take us along with them. Just before launching off to hit the high seas again, I made my way into port for some of the souvenirs for myself and my family. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, as well as any videos you'd be interested in seeing. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be notified of more like it, as well as to join me on my future journeys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next destination. Bye, guys!